as a natural lake, even though it's on a river. And people think of lakes on rivers as being reservoirs, but Lake Pepin's been around for 10,000 years, and it's been filling in gradually for 10,000 years. It was much larger a long time ago, but the rate of infilling has increased tremendously, and this is what really has people concerned, because it's a very valuable natural resource for recreation and for transportation and so on. And the lake is filling in because we're putting a lot more sediment into it. And we projected, based on today's rate of sediment input, that the lake will fill completely in about 300 years. In other words, it will become just a river channel like it is up above. And there will no longer be a lake. And then the upper part of the lake, which is much shallower, and also where most of the sediment is falling out, that will fill in within probably a century. And so Lake Pepin is disappearing very rapidly as compared to what it did under geologic timescales.